All right, this video is going to walk you through real quick how to find the surface area and volume of a prism. We can make this really easy for ourselves if we can just find these three things. Find the area of the base, the perimeter of the base, and the height of the prism. Whenever you're looking at a prism, you're going to try to find a matching congruent shape that's opposite and parallel in the picture. In this case, you happen to see that you have an octagon that's both parallel and opposite of this other octagon that you see up here. So this octagon becomes your base. Now the base in this problem, then, if you're going to try to find the area of an octagon, you're going to figure out that this little side length is 4, and then you're going to try to find this little triangle's area and then multiply by 8. Now in this problem, you're going to first of all take the triangle and figure out what the central angle is. Take 360 divided by 8, since I have 8 of these, you get 45 degrees. Then you split this isosceles triangle in half, and then you get a right triangle that looks like this. Now, to go from here, we have to find the missing value, because I chopped the 4 in half to get 2. I got to find the height of this triangle before I can find the area of it. So if I just take the tangent, which is the tangent of 22.5 degrees, over 2 equals the opposite over adjacent, 2 over y, and write the formula out like this, if I were to solve for y, you're going to eventually take 2 divided by the tangent of 22.5. Now, once I get that answer, I will know the length of y. And if I take the y answer times this side length here of 2, I will then have my area of this triangle. And then I'll do that times 8. So let me just write out real quick here how the calculation is going to work. I'm going to take 2, this number right here, 2 times my answer I just calculated, and then times 8. Okay? And that's my answer for the area of the base. Next, if I'm going to find the perimeter of the base, I've already got a 4 here, so there are 8 more of those around the whole entire thing, so that perimeter is going to equal 32 units. Okay? And lastly, the height. How far is it between that base and the other base? Well, that's going to be 30, so my height is going to be 30 units. Now, to finish this question, all you're going to do then is when I ask you to find the surface area, you're going to take 2 times the area of your base. That's this guy right here in the rectangle. And then plus the perimeter of your base, this number right here, times the height. Now I've got my surface area. The volume, take the area of your base, which is this right here, times the height, and you have your area of the height. When it talks about lateral surface area, the lateral surface area is just the perimeter of your base times the height. This little section of this formula right here of surface area, that's your lateral surface area. Hopefully this information helps, and good luck on your future prisms.